animals operate under a set of biological constraints that we often overlook. When a predator accelerates to 60 miles per hour, every tendon, muscle and metabolic pathway is firing according to a precise internal logic. We have spent decades building a global medical infrastructure of hospitals and research labs. Yet even with these resources, the human population faces a rising tide of chronic systemic illnesses that our ancestors rarely encountered. In the wild, the statistical picture shifts. Even in large-bodied species with trillions of cells where the mathematical probability of mutation is high, animals exhibit a resilience to cancer that human medicine struggles to replicate. This resilience is not the result of luck. These organisms are functioning within the specific environmental and behavioural parameters they were designed to occupy. Biologically, this functions like an internal blueprint. It is a set of hard-coded instructions for maintenance and repair that keeps the organism in a state of high-functioning vitality, as long as the rules are followed. The prevalence of human disease suggests that our biology is not failing us. Instead, our modern lives have drifted away from the design requirements of our own systems. At the cellular level, animal biology is engineered with specific checkpoints. These systems are built to monitor for errors and halt cellular division the moment a mutation is detected. This defense relies on a cycle of natural balance. The body was created to oscillate between two distinct modes, one for growth and activity and another for deep cellular maintenance. One built-in maintenance cycle is autophagy, an internal recycling program where the body consumes damaged proteins to restore healthy cellular function. This requires an environmental cue. The absence of food, dictated by the setting sun, mechanically triggers this overnight repair. When animals do eat, they consume nutrients in their original unadulterated state. This provides the clean fuel required to power these defense mechanisms without introducing the systemic stress of synthetic chemicals. Movement completes the circuit. Frequent, purposeful physical exertion serves as the mechanical pump for the body's internal systems, ensuring that nutrients are delivered and waste is removed efficiently. By eating, sleeping and moving in alignment with these design cycles, an animal activates the very defences that prevent cellular decay. In contrast, the modern human environment is an artificial construct. We have created a world that runs in direct opposition to our biological design. We have replaced natural foraging with highly processed diets, fueling our bodies with substances that lack the vitality needed to sustain our internal repair systems. We have traded purposeful movement for a sedentary existence. When we stop moving, the biological engine slows down, and the systems meant to clear out cellular waste begin to store. This chart compares the rhythmic recovery of a natural sleep cycle against the disruption caused by artificial light. Exposure to screens and LEDs late into the night breaks the circadian rhythms we were created to follow. When these three pillars are compromised, our natural diet, our daily movement and our sleep, the body's designed defences never fully activate. The internal cleaning crew remains offline. Chronic diseases find an opening in this disconnect. They take root in the space where our daily habits have drifted away from our original biological intent. Animals maintain their health because their daily routines mirror the logic of their creation. They do not live in conflict with our own biology. Reclaiming our own health requires us to intentionally reintegrate these natural rules into a modern context. Aligning our sleep patterns with the movement of the sun allows the body to initiate its designed overnight repair cycles. Engaging in frequent, rigorous movement provides the mechanical stimulation the human frame was engineered to require. Choosing foods that remain close to their original created state ensures the body has the specific nutrients needed for cellular defense. The human body possesses a remarkable capacity for self-maintenance and resilience. By looking to the natural world, we can identify the specific rules we need to follow to keep our own systems running as they were intended. Human intervention is most effective when it respects and supports the fundamental principles of our original design. To find the path forward, we only need to look at the natural world and see the design that has already been established. We're building a community of like-minded individuals who love nature and healthy living. Click like and subscribe. It's free and it only takes a second, and by supporting us helps us to create more content like this for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to turn notifications on.